Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create this clean wave distortion and chromatic aberration effect in After Effects. Let's get started. By the way, if you want these exact shakes, just a reminder that AM Film Shake preset pack is linked in the description. Alright, let's get back to it. In this tutorial I'll be using a free plugin called Quick Chromatic Aberration, which you can download it from the link in this video's description. If you want to use this effect as a transition across multiple clips, start by creating a new adjustment layer on your main timeline. This way, you can apply the effect once and have it affect all the clips underneath. Make sure the adjustment layer covers all the clips you want this effect to apply to. Next, apply the turbulent displace effect to the adjustment layer. Change the displacement type to twist. Set the amount to 10. You can adjust this to your preference, but I find that lower values create a smoother and cleaner wave effect. Now set the size to 130. This setting is also optional, so feel free to experiment until you get the look you want. Finally, hold Alt on your keyboard and click the evolution stopwatch to enable an expression. In the expression field, type time *100. This expression automatically animates the wave effect over time, so there's no need to create keyframes manually. With the wave effect complete, the next step is adding the RGB distortion. Apply the Quick Chromatic Aberration plugin to the adjustment layer. Set the position to 1. Set the scale to 98. This will create the RGB color separation effect. If the effect feels too strong, increase the mix with original value to reduce the intensity. If you want a stronger RGB look, simply increase the position value until you get the result you like. Once everything is adjusted, let's preview the video. And there we go, the wave distortion and chromatic aberration effect is complete. To make the transition and overall speed ramp feel more dynamic, I'll add shakes from my AM Film Shakes pack. You can get the pack from the link in the description below, or check out my shake tutorials on the channel. Let's preview the final result one more time, and we're done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.